Guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Guys, before I begin with today's subject, if you haven't heard already, here's some smashing news for you Huawei lovers. You can now get Google Apps on your Mate 30 Pro or the Honor 9X in a jiffy. Honestly guys, it's a quick 5-minute step. Check out the link for it in the description box below this video, and if you need a hand, give me a shout and I'll try to help. Like guys, I was blown away at the first sight of this smartphone when it was launched on the 19th of September in Munich. First thoughts were, what an absolute stunner, and these thoughts still stand. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro is probably the best looking smartphone of the year so far, and I doubt any forthcoming ones will beat it in its beauty. Guys, I honestly cannot wait to get the review piece and share lots more on it with you guys. Now the specs are on the screen in front of you, so check them out for yourselves. In my hands I have the emerald green colour. It's a sleek device with 2 gradient finish, matte at the bottom. It repels fingerprints, and as you travel towards the top of the phone, guys, the Mate 30 Pro's back gets glossy. Huawei presents this stunner in 6 main colours. We have the space silver, cosmic purple, emerald green and black. We also have these 2 vegan leather editions in vegan leather orange and vegan leather green. And guys, if these do not satisfy your appetite enough, well, Huawei has teamed up with Porsche to bring us this sexy, slick looking Porsche version in red and black. The Mate 30 Pro has an immersive, stunning 6.62-inch FLEX OLED display, which curves around the edges to an amazing 88 degrees. Huawei calls it Horizon Screen with a stunning waterfall edge-to-edge display. And in the short time I've had with this phone, I can confirm that I did not experience any accidental or double touches with its screen. Weighing at only 198 grams, this phone looks and feels so good in the hands. The Mate 30 Pro is bezel-less and with a notch which is reduced down to 26.5mm. And guys, here on the back we have the cameras in a design Huawei is calling the Halo design, inspired by Leica cameras. We have quad cameras, 40 megapixel wide, 40 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and 3D depth sensor. The cameras can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second with optical stabilization. And guys, if that's not enough, the Mate 30 Pro is the first phone ever to feature slow-mo at up to a maximum 7,680 frames per second in 720p. Now look at that on the screen in front of you. Check that flame on the lighter in slow-mo. Now, what are your thoughts on this feature? And on the front here we have a 32 megapixel wide camera and a 3D depth sensor. This smartphone is equipped with loud stereo speakers, NFC, fast charging, and is now even faster with 27 watts of power. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro runs Android 10 with Huawei's nippy EMUI 10 over the top. Although we already know the phone will not be launching with Google Play Store, there are some ways around it, and if you feel the need for these apps, guys, once again the links are in the description box below to help you out. Guys, I managed to play a bit of PUBG on it too. I caught up with Chick from Chick's Tech Reviews gaming away on it, and I managed to grab the phone off him, and wow, playing a highly graphical game on this Mate 30 Pro was a smooth, immersive experience. You would not believe that you're playing on a smartphone. It was almost a better experience than playing on my PlayStation 4. Cutting-edge, high-end technology, stunning looks, it's bigger, sleeker with powerful cameras and slick performance with brand new features never tried before. This Huawei Mate 30 Pro may just be the phone of the year, or is it? What about the incredibly basic software? Well, the only shortfalls I feel may impact your decision in a big way are: how much do the Google services matter? At the moment, we have no Google Play Store, Gmail, YouTube and Google Maps, etc. Does that make this phone a loser? Well guys, I did attempt to download the Google App Store within the short time I had with it, and this is what I found. Now check out the apps, mostly in Chinese. However guys, don't be fooled. Where there is a will, there's a way. You may still be able to download all the apps we love and desire. Now scroll down to the description box below this video, simply click on the APK link and follow the instructions. It'll take you around 5 minutes and presto, problem should be solved. Now guys, this phone ticks all the boxes for the best phone of the year so far. It's a beauty inside out, upside down, no doubt. However, it comes with Huawei's biggest price tag to date. £1,099 for the standard version, £2,999 for the Porsche version. So what are your thoughts on it? Would you rather pay £1,099 for the Apple, which has the best A30 Bionic chip, providing overall best performance on any smartphone, or the price of this phone at £1,199? Guys, please do share your thoughts on this phone so far. Do leave a comment on this in the description box below this video. Now the biggest question is, when will you and I, the average consumers, be able to get our hands on one of these Mate 30 Pro smartphones? Well guys, there is no set date as of yet. Huawei has said that the phone will be available to buy in the EU soon. And guys, I have left some links in the description box below from which you can buy the Huawei Mate 30 Pro now globally, so check it out before the phones sell out. Do let me know if you will be buying the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, if it is available or when it does become available. Do share your thoughts on this phone, as I'm in love with the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, yet blown away with Apple's 830 performance. However, most excited for the Pixel 4, which I feel is going to take away the smartphone Oscar for 2019. I love the competition, and I do have lots more video planned with the mentioned smartphones, so do stick around on the channel. Do share your thoughts, opinions in the comment box below, and let me know what you want to see next. Do hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and want to see more on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro and smartphone. Be sure to comment and subscribe, hit that bell icon above, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my latest videos, news and giveaways. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, take care. Bye.